Football DBB number 46. This is for 2017 certified football. One box break. Good luck, guys. Here is a team random. Every spot gets 3 random teams. You got 2 combo spots: the Falcons, Ravens, and the Redskins, Lions. Good luck. Here we go. Dice roll, snake eyes reroll. We have 7 going 7 times on the teams, guys. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last and final time. Good luck, guys. 7. We have the Raiders on top and the Browns at the bottom. Here are your teams. That are your teams, guys. You could check them out. So big teams in this are Texans, for example. That is Sergio. We have who else is good in this one? Texans, Bears are good. DTC, Jaguars are not bad. So good luck, guys. Here we go. One box break. Certified football. I will post another one of this later today. So let me open them all quick first. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Certified football first stack. We have Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins to 299. Orange parallel. Got Tom Brady Champions insert for the Patriots. Got base rookie Derek Rivers to 999 for the Patriots as well. And first hit, nice. Leonard Fournette jersey, rookie jersey to 299 for the Jaguars. First thought it was an auto, so. Certified shutdown is Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Base, have a dummy. We got Matt Forte to 499 for the Jets. Accomplishments, Brian Urlacher for the Bears. We have autograph, a rookie to 25, Juju Smith-Schuster for the Pittsburgh Steelers. To 25, Pittsburgh Steelers. And that is, who has the Steelers? Pittsburgh Steelers is, yeah, there, Sean. Sean has the Steelers, 18 of 25 for the Steelers. Nice. Wow, and numbered 1 of 10, LaDainian Tomlinson for the Chargers. Number to 10. Nice. Chargers is the... Oh, Sean, wow. Met the box for Sean. Immortals is Warren Moon for the Oilers. That's Titans to 999. We got Jared Goff to 25 for the Rams. Nice box so far. Jared Goff to 25 for the Rams. Gold team is Mitchell Trubisky. That's a rookie, good rookie for the Bears. We got Joe Mixon. That's the RPA to 249 going to the Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati Bengals. And the Bengals is Sebastian Dommert. Congrats, Sebastian. RPA for dish. Nice one. Nice patch. We got certified shutdown, JJ Watt. Turn down for what? All right. Second half, we got rookie TJ Watt to 9.99 for the Steelers. Dummy. We have 250 Jabril Peppers for the Browns. 250. Ray Lewis, Ravens. We got Carlos Hyde to 4.99 for the 49ers. Gold team is Mike Williams. We have David Nyuku to 1.99, also for the Browns. Orange, rookie. Steelers, Cameron Hayward. And Hunter Henry for the Chargers. Jumbo jersey to 99. Jumbo jersey for the Chargers. Die hat man schon mal. San Diego. LA Chargers now, ne? Lower base. Chargers, Joey Bosa accomplishments. And that does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.